Alright. In this lesson we will talk about game design. The game design is the entertainment management in a game. If a game is boring or get boring, it is because of game design. Game design is important because games are created to entertain. For one thing, a video game has inputs such as keyboard, mouse, or joystick. On the other hand, a game has outputs like the screen and sounds. So, a game designer has to use those resources to entertain. To avoid remake the game over and over again, the game designers sketch those resources often without details. That is what we will do in this lesson. If someone tells you check this game up, and give to you a link of its website, you will understand what kind of game is just watching its landing. Its sold have representative elements of the game, visual elements, and sound elements. But sadly for us, our game isn't built yet, so we have to wait. But even like that, we can do something, the button to start. In the second page we have to provide to the player the information he need to start the play. We can teach how to move the character around, for example how to jump. But we can also give to the player information to understand the game story. Now we need to determine how to win. If you have no idea what to do, no worries. The easy way to make it is starting in a point A and arrive to the point B. So, if you arrive to the point B you will have won. As you remember, we need to entertain the player. To do that, we can reproduce entertaining music, or we can give to him rewards periodically. The common rewards are getting points anytime he do something. Other reward is the reproduction of celebration sound effect when he do something. A third way to reward the player is reproducing visual effects on screen when he do something. The most common example is give to the player a reward when he finds something, or kill an enemy. Another special element to entertain the player is to punish him. But only after reward him enough to believe he can be rewarded again. That is why the player can lose his points, or he can hear different punishment sounds. At the end, the game design have to find the balance between rewards and punishment to entertain the player. Congratulations! This is the end of the lesson number 2. Now you know what is game design about. You also know how to sketch a landing page of a game, how to sketch a tutorial page, know how to make the player win, and how to make him lose. You have just learned the basics of game design. There is more information about game design to learn, but this is enough for an entry-level tutorial. Now, based on this lesson, answer the following questions. What is game design about? What is game design important? What and how is a landing page? What kind of information you must to provide to the player in a second page? What are the 3 ways we mention about how to entertain a player? When are we able to punish the player and make it lose? Please copy these questions from the material of this lesson and watch again the video to answer them.